Looking to treat a special woman in your life to a thoughtful and luxurious gift? Well, look no further than this complete hot beverage set, expertly curated and packaged in the USA. From organic herbal teas to cozy slipper socks and portable kettle, every detail has been considered to ensure a delightful experience. Well, let's dive into the key features of this perfect gift package. But a quick disclaimer here, I received this package free to try. This set is perfect for anyone who loves tea, and including the non-slipper socks, the cozy candle, and all the accessories make it such a perfect gift. It features 5 organic herbal teas, 5 honey sticks, a portable tea kettle with a power cord, and a double insulated black tea mug with sliding seal lid. The tea coasters with tongs and stainless steel tea accessories elevate the tea drinking experience. It also includes a soy candle with about 22 to 25 hours of burning time and fuzzy anti-slip socks for ultimate comfort. It arrives in a premium satin drawstring gift bag with a signature tag ready for gifting without the need for wrapping. All sets are curated and expertly packaged in the USA by a US company. The teas are organic and the satin gift bag and tag are high quality and unique. The portable kettle allows for beverages like tea, hot chocolate, or soup to be enjoyed anywhere, maintaining their temperature for up to 3 hours. And I got to enjoy my tea right here in my office. What a great set!